Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Are you ready for the Discover session for today? Super, okay, very good. Today we are gonna talk about categorizing jobs. Okay, categorizing jobs. Jobs are classified into agriculture, industrial, commercial, tourism, other, like STEM, STEM. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Super. Okay, from agriculture jobs, number one, farmer. The farmer is plowing the field using a tractor. The farmer is blowing the field using a tractor. The farmer is blowing the field using a tractor. Super. The farmer is harvesting the plant using a sickle. The farmer is harvesting the plant using a sickle. Using what? Sickle. Okay, so from agriculture jobs, the farmer. Okay, the farm. Number two, industrial. From industrial jobs, the electrician. The electrician is checking electricity using a screwdriver. The electrician is checking electricity using what? A screwdriver. Using what? A screwdriver. Screwdriver. Okay? And number two, construction worker. The construction worker is building using what? Using a hammer and a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. So we have two jobs, okay? From industrial jobs. Number one, the electrician. The electrician is checking electricity using a screwdriver. Number two, the construction worker is building using a hammer and a wheelbarrow. Hammer and wheelbarrow. But electrician, do what? Checking electricity, super. Using what? Screwdriver, excellent, super. Okay, but the construction worker is do what? The construction worker do what? Building, yeah, using hammer and wheelbarrow, using two tools. Number one, hammer, and number two, wheelbarrow. Super. Okay, commercial. From commercial jobs, number one, the cashier. The cashier puts the food into the bag using what? Using the computer. The cashier puts the food into the bag. So, the cashier do what? The cashier do. The cashier puts the food into the bag using what? Using the computer. Okay, super. And number two, the second job, the pharmacist. Pharmacist is selling the medicine. Okay, so what does the cashier do? The cashier puts the food into the bag. The cashier puts the food into the bag. Excellent. Using what? What tool does he use? Using the computer, yeah. And the second job, the pharmacist. What does the pharmacist do? Selling the medicine. Selling the medicine, yeah. And using what? Papers and computer. Papers and computer. Computer and papers. Okay? Okay, get it? Yeah, super. Number four, tourism. The concierge is helping the client using a computer. Yeah, so we have here two jobs from tourism. Okay? So from tourism jobs, we have here two jobs. Number one, the concierge. Concierge is helping the client to what? Using a computer. Okay, so concierge is helping the client using a computer. Yeah. Okay, the second job, tour guide. Tour guide. The tour guide is explaining to the tourists. Okay, the tour guide is explaining to the tourists, and she is using a flag and a map. So the tour guide uses two tools. Two tools. Number one, flag. Number two, map. Map. Map and flag. Flag. Okay, and what does the tour guide do? Explaining to the tourists. Yeah, explaining to the tourists. Okay. Okay, so from tourism jobs. Number one, concierge is helping the client using a computer. Number two, the tour guide is explaining to the tourists, and she is using two tools. Number one, flag. Number two, map. Okay. Okay, number five, STEM. STEM. From STEM jobs. Number one, engineer. The engineer is drawing. So what does the engineer do? Drawing. Yeah, the engineer is drawing using what? Using here three tools: pencil, ruler, and an eraser. So the engineer is drawing using three tools. Number one, pencil. Number two, ruler. Number three, an eraser. Yeah. And the second job, computer programmer. The computer programmer is writing on the laptop using what? Using the keyboard. The computer programmer, what does the computer programmer do? Writing on the laptop. Yeah, using what? Using the keyboard. Okay. And now it's your turn. We have here a small activity. Complete the following information about each worker as shown in the solved example. Okay. We have here different tools: X, cash register, map. So, number one, job, farmer. Category, agriculture. Super, huh? Tool, X. Excellent, very good. The second job is cashier. Excellent, super, cashier. Category, commercial. Excellent, super, رؤى. And tool, what's the tool? Super, cash register. Excellent, very good. And now income. We have here a small problem, and we all find the suitable solution. Noor wants to buy a gift for her sister Sarah, but she doesn't have enough money. Write the problem and suggest solutions. Okay, so what is the problem here? The problem here, Noor wants to buy a gift for her sister Sarah, but she doesn't have enough money. Okay, so what's the suitable solution? What is the suitable solution? Think. Think and tell me. You have 1 minute. You have a minute. Think and tell me. Asil. Super, Asil. Clap your hands for Asil. Super, Asil. The suitable solution, Noor can take the money from her dad, her mom. Okay, so she can take the money from her mom or her dad. Excellent. And now read and solve the following problems. My mom works 5 days a week. Each day she takes the bus. Her income helps pay for the bus. The bus costs her £10 each day. How much money does she need to use each week to get to work? My mom works 5 days. Each day she paid £10. £10. So how much money does she need to use each week to get to work? We have here 5 days, okay? And each day costs what? £10. Super. So 5 times 10 equal 50. Super. £50. £50. Okay. Okay. Super. Okay. During the day, I can see at the sky clouds and the sun. So during the day, I can see what? At the sky, clouds. Super. Number 2, the sun. Excellent. Super. So we can see 2 things at the sky during the day. Number 1, the sun. Number 2, the clouds. Excellent. Super. But during the night, I can see at the sky 3 things. Number 1, clouds. Number 2, dark sky with stars. Super. Number 3, moon. Excellent. So we can see 3 things during the day. At the night, at the sky. Number 1, clouds. Number 2, dark sky with stars. Number 3, the moon. The moon. Okay. Okay. And what is the sense that help us observe clouds, the sun, the moon, dark sky with stars when we look at the sky during the day or at night? What is the sense? Hearing? No. Taste? No. Smell? Of course not. Sight? Excellent. Super. So I use the sense of sight to observe the sky during the day or at night. Okay? So during the day we can see at the sky clouds. Excellent. And the sun. Super. But during the night or at the night we can see what? We can see 3 things: clouds, dark sky with stars, and the moon. Super. Okay. And now it's your turn. Circle the correct pictures and then answer the questions. During the day, I can see During the day, I can see clouds, dark sky with stars, sun, moon. You can choose one, more than one answer. Think. Super, Isel. Clouds and the sun. Excellent. Okay, number 2, during the night or at the night, I can see clouds, dark sky with moon, with stars, sun, moon. As well, you can choose more than one answer. Think. Excellent. Clouds Dark sky with moons or with stars and the moon. Super. And I use the sense of space to observe the sky. I use the sense of sight, taste, hearing. Super. Clap your hands for yourselves. Sight. Super. Okay. And look at this picture. Repeat after me. Galaxy. 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 This is a picture of a galaxy. A galaxy. All of the light you see comes from what? Comes from many stars. All of the light you see here, all of the light you see here comes from many stars. Okay? Our sun is in a galaxy. Our sun is in a galaxy like this one. Okay? So our sun is in a galaxy like this one. This picture of a galaxy was taken with a tool called what? Telescope. A telescope. Okay? So this is a picture of a galaxy. All of the light you see comes from many stars. Okay? And our sun is in a galaxy. Our sun is in a galaxy like this one. Okay? This is picture of a galaxy. This is picture of a galaxy. Okay? And this picture of a galaxy was taken with a tool called telescope. Telescope. Okay? This is a telescope. Telescope. And this is a galaxy. Super, Ahmed. Galaxy. Okay? Okay. And now let's talk about space. This is a picture of space. This is a picture of space. The shapes and dots you see in this picture are not stars. They are galaxies. Galaxies. So the space is bigger than the galaxy. The space is bigger than the galaxy. Okay? The space consists of many galaxies. The space consists of many galaxies. Okay? Get it? So what's this picture? This is a picture of space. This is a picture of space. Super. Okay. And now it's your turn. Choose and write your answer. Our sun is found in galaxy, moon, planet. Take your time and tell me. Super. Super. Our sun is found in galaxy. Super, Mahmoud. Okay. Space consists of many galaxies, many birds, many trees. Super, Salma. Space consists of many galaxies. Clap your hands for yourselves. Super. Okay, the last one, the device that you can use to see the galaxies is called It's called what? 1 minute. Sorry. The device that you can use to see the galaxies is called telescope. Telescope. Excellent. And this answer many galaxies and this galaxy. Okay. Okay. And now shapes in the sky. Shapes in the sky. When we look at the sky during the day or during the night, at night, we can see two shapes. Number one is called Orion. Orion or the hunter. Orion or the hunter. Okay, so Orion or the hunter. This is a picture of Orion or the hunter. Okay. And number two, Canis Major. Canis Major. Canis Major. Repeat after me. Canis Major or the dog. Canis Major or the dog. And look at this picture. This is a picture of Canis Major or the dog. Okay, so we have two shapes in the sky. Number one, Orion or the hunter. Okay, and number two, Canis Major. Canis Major or the dog. Okay. And now it's your turn. Match. Where is the picture of Canis Major? Take your time and tell me. You have 1 minute. You have a minute. Think quickly and tell me. Where is the picture of Canis Major and where is the picture of Orion? Super! This is picture of Orion and this is picture of Canis Major. Yeah. Okay, and now let's talk about how bright. How bright. We have here two pictures. One of them is shown us the shape of the sky during the day, and the other one shown us the shape of the sky at night or during the day. Okay, so one of them during the day and the other at night or during the night. Super. The sun gives us two things: light and warmth. Light and warmth. So the sun gives us what? Light and warmth. Super. The sun is closer to us than other stars, so it appears bigger and brighter than other stars. Okay? So the sun is closer to us than other stars, so it appears bigger and brighter than other stars. Okay, get it? Okay, and now let's talk about shadow. We need two things to form a shadow, which are light source and an object. Light source and an object. Light source and an object. Okay? Okay. When the shadow, when the light that comes from the light source hits the surface of an object, the shadow will be formed. So the light that comes from the light source hits the object, or the object blocks the light that comes from the light source, the shadow will be formed. Okay, so this is rays of light that comes from light source when hits the surface of an object, the shadow will be formed. The shadow will be formed. Okay? Okay. And now it's your turn. Complete. The space is brighter than other stars. The what? It's brighter than other stars and gives us heat and light. The sun. Super Sora. Okay. Number two, stars look smaller than the sun because stars are not a space from us. Hmm. Of course, 4. Excellent. Clap your hands for yourselves. So proud of you. Okay, the last one. My story. Our story consists of 3 parts. Okay, so the story consists of 3 parts. Number 1, beginning. Number 2, middle. Number 3, end. The end. Okay, beginning, middle, the end. Okay. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.